Sir, Srinivasan Reddy, sir, are you ready?
Yes, sir. I am available, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So then we'll start, sir.
Yeah, yeah. You can start this. No problem. Hello, hello, sir. Hello.
Wait
Yes, sir.
1 minute,
We
sir.
Okay.
Varun sir will begin.
one more thing. Sir, shall I start, sir? Narayan, sir.
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Good evening to the participants of today's KSRM faculty lecture series 2021. So today we have a speaker from the Department of Civil Engineering, I. Srinivasan Reddy garu. Sir, he's an
Yes, sir.
assistant professor in the Department of Civil Engineering. Sir, we request you to start your presentation, sir.
Okay, sir. Is it visible and audible? Hello. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can start
Oh,
presenting, sir. Yes, sir.
okay. I will
You
start.
can present. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, Good evening to everyone who are present here. My special thanks to KSRM College for giving this opportunity, and I'm thanking the Dean CRI for arranging these kind of programs and giving the opportunity to us. Today's I'm going to give one lecture on my one of the part of my PhD topic. Actually, this is related to frictional heat estimation using the inverse heat transfer method. So first of all, we should know the why these inverse heat transfer methods are required actually. This inverse transfer